Hello students, welcome ulit sa online tutorial natin. So, continue tayo with problem number 9. Sorry, hindi tayo problem number 9. So, sige, so for this one, actually, di ko rin gets, no, but binigay to. Actually, this is very easy, provided that alam mo yung parang algebra part when it comes to exponents, diba? So, again, very easily, notice, although, baka pagtingin mo, no, you might be tempted to just add the exponent. Actually, hindi yan pwedeng i-add because the base are different, di ba? 3 and 2, you can only add exponents if ang base is the same, di ba? So, actually, ang nangyari dito, although iba yung base, which is 3 and 2, notice, we have the same exponent, which is x. So, very easily, I hope you will agree, I can actually just write this one as ganito. Di ba? Okay, so again this problem is not actually, parang tinest lang kung alam ba yung mga properties of exponents, mga ganyan ba. Okay, so again, simplify natin. So obviously, this will become 6 to the power x, wherein this will be very easily answered dito sa equation 5. So our answer should be 1 over ln 6 times, or ito, 6 to the power x dx. I mean, yan, plus c. So, yan. Napakadali. Now, anyway, let's try to check. Sorry. Let's try to check daw kung same ba yung sagot natin sa answer key. Tama, same lang. Sige. So, same pa rin. If you have any questions or clarifications, comment down below. Salamat sa panonood and see you sa next video natin.